All right, in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to answer the question, do people in my power line go in my matrix? And the answer is possibly. So I just want to make sure that if you're new to LiveGood, maybe you're looking at LiveGood, you're a pre-enrollee and you see all these people in your back office, I want you to have proper expectations. So I'm actually inside of a test pre-enrollee that I set up, Superstar Leader, and I'm going to go over to the power line and talk about that for a second. So as you see here, Superstar Leader has 88,672 pre-enrollees and 77,549 paid members that have already joined the power line, and it's still growing. So this is company-wide. So the company's growing really fast, but that doesn't necessarily mean that these people are going to fall into your matrix. Now, there is definitely a possibility, but there's no guarantee that anybody's going to fall right below you immediately or at all. So what happens in LiveGood is the power line or spillover in the matrix follows your sponsor. So if you were to join me, you get a position, the next available position in my matrix. And, whenever I bring somebody in, and if that's a position underneath you that's available, that's when you're going to start getting spillover. And people on my team have gotten spillover. However, these numbers, it's not people that are going to be placed in your matrix. So it's keep proper expectations, that it has to follow your sponsor, somebody that your sponsor brings in, somebody above them that they bring in. So if you have a team that's building really fast, you have the possibility of that spillover happening. Now, there's two ways that you can build LiveGood. You can build slow or you could build fast. So you could be somebody that's getting in and you're like, well, I just want to get in and I want to see what happens. That's the slow way to build. So use the membership, buy the product. It's only $9.95 a month to get the wholesale pricing. So have fun, sit back. It's $10. You'll probably forget about that $10 a month and just buy the great products because there's rock solid products. And then potentially you can receive that spillover, and you definitely can earn from spillover in the matrix. I have two videos on my channel where I show how I paid for my dad and my mom's monthly membership from the spillover that I created for them. They haven't promoted at all. It's just what I've been doing. They've been able to get a free membership. So, and then the fast way is to start promoting. So you can get in and you can start creating your own spillover. So let's just say you get in and you get busy and you fill your first two positions right away. Now anybody that you bring in has a potential to fall underneath. That's the only place they can go is right underneath the first two people that you brought in. And, you could potentially have people that I bring in go underneath those people that you brought in. So that's the faster way to build. So if you're serious about making money and running this as a business, you have to treat it like a business. If you're going to treat it like a hobby, then that's sitting around waiting for spillover to happen. And again, just remember there's no guarantee, and these numbers don't reflect at all who's going to be in your power line, because you could get in and none of these people go underneath you in your matrix. So just remember to have those proper expectations, because anybody that's in these numbers, would have to be sponsored by somebody who's above you in order for that to happen. So I hope this helped you, and I look forward to doing more videos to help you out.